Hello everybody, I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of Ajay Astronomy Guru. Welcome all of you today on 16th August 2021, Monday. So in this episode, I will discuss about my views on Indian stock market and what I am expecting for next few trading days. So we have a market holiday apart from the Saturday and Sunday, that is on Thursday on the event of Muharram. So the weekly expiry will be on Wednesday this week. So all the traders who trade in weekly options should keep this in mind while trading your trades. So if you look at the global markets on Friday, the global markets were good, and on Friday Indian markets were also good as the Nifty closed at its all-time high and crossed the 16,500 level. And also both FIs and DIs were net buyers in cash market on Friday. And if you look at the last 3 weeks, the movement of Nifty, then in last 3 weeks only Nifty have traveled by more than 1000 points in the upward direction from the level of 15,500 to 16,500. During the weekend, the major global news is that the Taliban have captured the Afghanistan, and the transfer of powers from Afghan government to the Taliban will take place. Although its impact have not been seen in any of the major global markets till now. And also if we look at the Nifty, it opened flat, and since opening it is trading in a flattish move. Today most of the sectors are showing the profit booking, but still the top leading stocks of almost every sector is showing positive return. That is why the Nifty is showing flattish to positive movement till now. As of now, Nifty is trading at around 16,545 at around the 10:50 a.m. But from now, I am expecting some profit booking can be seen in Nifty, especially in the second half of today's session. So you need to be very careful in the index trade, and there is no major profit booking expected, but a healthy profit booking is required after every significant bull run and bull stretch. So after the significant bull run of more than 1000 points from 15,500 to 16,500, healthy profit booking is required for the markets to further go for next bull run to touch and cross the 17,000 mark. So today and tomorrow will be the very important days for the Nifty, and you can expect some healthy profit booking in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Although the Bank Nifty has not risen much as compared to the Nifty, therefore more impact will be seen on Nifty as compared to Bank Nifty. You can get our advanced analysis on stocks, commodities, agro commodities, base metal, bullions, and currencies. So that for that you can contact us. Our contact details are given in the description, as well as they are flashing on the screen. Also you can join our Telegram, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter channels. Their links are mentioned in the description. So that's all for the today's episode. See you in the next episode. Thank you and good day.